What's up, YouTube? Lazeric2 Official. I'm back with another video. So listen, don't mind the noise that's in the background. They doing construction in front of my house. So don't mind the noise. I know I look kind of a little rough, but don't pay attention to that. I'm here to help you. So today we're gonna be talking about, how to get some negative items removed off your credit. You know what I'm saying? The only thing I ask you to do is, like the video, comment, share it, help me out, help my channel out, run it up. And the more likes I get, the more comments I get, the more videos I can make. So just support the channel and watch the video all the way through. So if you're a person that's been trying to get some things removed off your credit, right? And you've been having it, you're not getting nowhere, right? Things not beginning to remove, I'm finna help you. So listen, the very first thing you need to do is, right, you need to get your official credit monitor service. Don't use Credit Karma. Don't use Credit Sesame. Don't use no other credit monitor service but Identity IQ. I've been using Identity IQ since 2019, and I'm telling you, it's the best. It's the #1 best. So I'm gonna leave the link below. Get your credit report, all 3 bureaus for $1. Yes, $1. So once you do that, right, the next thing you wanna do, you wanna look at your personal information. If you got too many names, too many addresses, too many employers, that's the very first thing that need to get removed, okay? That's the very first thing that need to get removed. Remove all misspelled names, remove all addresses. You only need 1 name, 1 address, and 1 employer. The next thing you need to do is, don't do no round 1, don't do no round 2, or no round 3. If you know, you know. But in the credit repair world, round 1s and round 2s and all that don't really work. You need to go straight 609 dispute letter. Don't Google it on Google and try to go download a free 609 dispute letter. Them letters don't work, okay? Trust me, I've been there. It don't work. I'm saving you a whole lot of time. They don't work, okay? Them letters 10, 15 years old. So if you want an up-to-date dispute letter, just comment the word dispute 609. You know what I'm saying? It's not free. So you might have you gotta have a budget. So it's not free. So yeah, once you get your 609 dispute letter, don't worry about how you gonna fill out the dispute letter. I'm gonna send all that to you, don't worry about it. But that's the very first thing that needs to get removed though, is the addresses, the misspelled names, okay? You only need 1 address and 1 name, that's it. So after you get that right, before you send out your dispute letter, okay? Before you send out your dispute letters, you need to opt out the secondary bureaus. What is the secondary bureaus? I'm gonna give you a few of them. CoreLogics, LexisNexis. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave some links below. You need to opt out the secondary bureaus. Do your homework on the secondary bureaus. Them are the bureaus that's holding your information. That's the reason why it's come back verified, because you haven't opted out. That's the reason why ain't nothing getting deleted, because you haven't opted out, okay? Once you opt out the applications, you get an email or whatever, and you opt out, now you're ready to send out the dispute letter. Now you're ready. So how you gonna send out your dispute letter? It all depends, right? So you just wanna send in regular mail, or you can send it, priority mail. It's all up to you. You're gonna get the same results. So I just want to jump on here real quick and give you some real free game quick. So listen, just like I say, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Help me out, run my channel out.